channel, I want to give you some review about the taste of Indomie. But before that, I want to tell you about the flavor of Indomie instant noodle. Indomie have many flavor, but for now, I'm only have 6 flavor. So there are soto spesial and mie goreng Aceh, soto Lamongan, mie goreng sambal rica-rica, sate Padang, and the last is mie goreng sambal mata.
Before I review it, let's cook the Indomie. We have to boil the water first until the bubble comes out. After that, put the noodle inside the water until the noodle drain well and mix the seasonings. Garnish with the garnishing and enjoy your delicious fried noodle. Do the same things to other 6 flavors.
I'm already finished to I'm already finished cook the Indomie. So this is Indomie sambal rica-rica. This is Indomie Aceh, and this is sambal rica-rica. So first, I will try to eat sambal rica-rica. Hmm. Mm, very nice, not really spicy. So if you don't like spicy, you so if you don't really like spicy, you can to try it because not really spicy. And then I want to try fried noodle sambal sambal matah. Mm, this is not spicy, I think, but it's good. All of Indomie it's very good. And I want to try noodle fried Aceh. Many people told me before um, this taste is very spicy, so I want to try it. Mm. And mm, this one is spicy, but I like it so much because I'm very like spicy food spicy. I'm really like food spicy. Okay, so next, I want to try this. This is soto Padang. This is soto Lamongan, and the last is soto special. Wah, special. This is very special. So I will try in the last. So I want to try soto Padang. Hmm, the taste is very good, like real sate Padang. I like it. And this one, soto Lamongan. Lamongan itu Lamongan in Sumatera Utara ya. Hmm. Hmm. I like it. It's very nice. And the last, I will try. Ta-da! Soto. Soto special. Special loh. So now I have tried all, but I personally think Soto Special is my favorite purchase. I hope you enjoy it and like it. Thank you.